To apply for a KeyBank USA credit card as a US citizen, here are the general steps. 1. Check your eligibility. Residency. Generally, you need to reside in a state where KeyBank has a presence. These states currently include Alaska, Colorado, Connecticut, Idaho, Indiana, Maine, Massachusetts, Michigan, New York, Ohio, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Utah, Vermont, and Washington. Online applications might have further location-based restrictions. Age. You must be 18 years or older. Social Security number. You will need a valid Social Security number. Identification. You'll need a valid primary form of identification, such as a driver's license, passport, or government-issued ID with a photo and signature. Credit history. KeyBank will review your credit history to determine your creditworthiness. A good credit score increases your chances of approval and may qualify you for cards with better terms and rewards. Existing KeyBank client, often preferred, while not always explicitly stated as a strict requirement for all cards, being an existing KeyBank client can sometimes streamline the application process or be a prerequisite for certain cards. 2. Choose a credit card. Visit the KeyBank website's credit card section. Review the different credit card options available, e.g., KeyBank Latitude, Key Cashback, Key 2 More Rewards, Key Secured Credit Card. Compare their features, rewards, interest rates, APRs, and fees to find the one that best suits your financial needs and spending habits. 3. Gather your information. Before starting the application, make sure you have the following details ready: full legal name, current residential address, and possibly previous addresses, date of birth, Social Security number, phone number, email address, employment information, employer name, income. 4. Apply online, if eligible. Navigate to the specific KeyBank credit card you've chosen on their website. Look for an Apply Now or similar button. Complete the online application form with all the required information. Carefully review the terms and conditions before submitting. 5. Apply in person, if you are a new client or prefer. If you are not already a KeyBank client or prefer an in-person application, visit a local KeyBank branch. Speak with a bank representative who can guide you through the application process and answer any questions you may have. 6. Wait for a decision. After submitting your application, KeyBank will review it. You may receive a decision online immediately in some cases. However, it can sometimes take a few days or up to a couple of weeks to receive a decision by mail or email. Important notes. Secured credit card. If you have a limited or poor credit history, you might consider the Key Secured Credit Card. This requires a refundable security deposit that typically equals your credit limit. Balance transfers. If you're looking to transfer a balance from another credit card, be aware of any balance transfer fees and introductory April periods. FICO score. KeyBank may provide you with access to your FICO score through their online and mobile banking once your account is open, allow up to 90 days for new accounts. Read the fine print. Always carefully read the terms and conditions associated with the credit card before applying. By following these simple steps, US citizens can apply for a KeyBank USA credit card. Remember to check the specific eligibility requirements and application process for the card you are interested in on the official KeyBank website.